Hey everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel, and in today's video we are starting something big. This is episode 1 of a brand new LangChain series where we are not just talking about AI frameworks, we are actually building real AI projects step by step. If you have wondered how developers build chatbots, RAG system, personal AI assistant, or even multi-agent workflow, LangChain is usually the framework powering everything behind the scene. So, in this episode, I will walk you through what LangChain actually is, why so many developers depend on it, and how it helps you build powerful production-ready AI application. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly where LangChain fit in the modern AI world, and you will be all set for the upcoming hand-on project episodes coming next. Talking to the AI model like ChatGPT feels simple. You type a prompt, it gives you a reply. But building a real AI-powered application is entirely different challenge. Suddenly, you have to deal with multiple prompts, chat history, memory, embedding, vector database, and API calls, multi-step reasoning, and sometimes even letting AI run code for you. If you try to stitch all of these moving pieces together manually, your code becomes fragile, unstable mess. It breaks often, it's impossible to maintain, and it becomes extremely painful to add new features over time. This is exactly why LangChain exists. It gives you clean, modular, and reliable architecture to organize all the components of an AI application. LangChain lets you focus on building your idea instead of trying to manage the chaos behind the scene. So, what exactly is LangChain? Here is the simplest technical definition for it. LangChain is a framework that connects prompt, model, memory, tools, and your data into one unified pipeline for building AI application. It doesn't replace the AI model, it provides structure around the model. And the best part is, LangChain works with every major LLM like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and even your local model like Llama 3, which runs on Ollama. If the LLM is the brain, LangChain is the nervous system, connecting everything together, the orchestration layer, backend brain, and the thing that actually makes your AI application works end to end. The most easy way to understand LangChain is to think of it like a Lego piece. Each piece has a job. One block manages prompts, one block handles the model, one block stores memory, and one block talks to tools and APIs. And the best part is, LangChain lets you snap all of these blocks together into a complete AI pipeline. And with the help of LCEL, which stands for LangChain Expression Language, the whole workflow becomes really clean and easy to follow, where LangChain takes the prompt, sends it to the model, and then passes the model output to the parser. It's simple, expressive, and honestly very satisfying to work with. Now let's break down the major component LangChain gives you as a developer. First one in line is prompt, reusable template, so you are not rewriting the same instruction over and over again. Second, model. It acts as a support for any LLM, with one line switching between GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Ollama. Third one is output parser. In this, parser uses tools to turn messy LLM text into a clean JSON bullet points, or even a structured data. Fourth one is chain, sequence of steps that convert your input, your prompt, and your model into a single output chain together. Fifth one is memory, so your chatbot can remember your past message and feel continuous, not reset every time you run the program. The last one is retrieval. LangChain uses building RAG engine for chunking text, creating embeddings, storing vectors, and retrieving the most relevant information. Together, this component unlocks full stack AI development with clean, maintainable architecture. In today's AI world, LangChain is used everywhere. Companies use it to build chatbot with memory, enterprise RAG system, automated support assistant, workflow automation bot, multi-step reasoning agent, and even full multi-agent system where multiple AIs collaborate to solve single task. If you ever used chat with your PDF tool, or even an AI assistant that can take real action in the background, there is a very good chance LangChain was involved in it. So how exactly LangChain changed the AI development? LangChain changes the way developers think about AI. Instead of writing massive unstructured block of code, you may start thinking in pipeline, components, and reusable modules. You eliminate duplicate logic, you avoid messy prompts, and you no longer have to manually handle embeddings, vector stores, memory management. This makes AI application easier to build, easy to maintain, and far easier to scale to industry standards. LangChain essentially gives you a professional grade architecture for your LLM apps, even if you are a small team or a solo builder. That's why LangChain has become a foundational layer for modern AI development. So now let's wrap up our introduction to LangChain, and in upcoming videos we are going to build real LangChain project, starting with simple utilities and moving all the way to full-fledged RAG system and multi-agent application. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you want us to build next. Thanks for watching. This is NIIT, making learning tech simpler, smarter and fun. I will see you in next episode.